Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will learn about the basics of selecting fuel for tractors. Diesel is the primary fuel for diesel engine combustion. Its correct use has a significant impact on the operation of diesel engines. Given that diesel represents the largest volume of fuel consumption, selecting and using the right diesel is essential knowledge that every driver must master. Now, let's explore some basic information about diesel. 1. Basics of diesel. Diesel is refined from petroleum within a temperature range of 260 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius, mainly composed of carbon, hydrogen, and some oxygen. To ensure the normal startup, balanced operation, extended lifespan, and low emission pollution of diesel engines, diesel must meet certain performance indicators and requirements. The main indicators of diesel include ignitability, volatility, fluidity, stability, corrosiveness, etc. 1. Ignitability, combustibility. The level of diesel ignitability directly affects the operation of diesel engines. The cetane number is an important indicator of diesel ignition and combustion performance in the engine. The cetane number of diesel directly influences the combustion process of the fuel in the diesel engine. A higher cetane number means a lower auto-ignition point, making it easy to self-ignite in the diesel engine cylinder, resulting in smooth engine operation. If the cetane number of diesel is too low, it becomes difficult for the fuel to ignite, leading to abnormal combustion and reducing engine power. 2. Volatility. For an engine to start and operate smoothly, diesel must possess good volatility. However, the volatility should not be too high because an excessive evaporation rate can accumulate a large amount of diesel during combustion, leading to unstable engine operation. The volatility of diesel is primarily assessed through its distillation range and closed flash point. 3. Fluidity. The fluidity of diesel is mainly indicated by its viscosity, pour point, and cold filter plugging point. 4. Stability. The stability of diesel affects the engine like gasoline. Diesel with poor stability can easily oxidize and deteriorate, darkening in color and increasing sediment and colloids. This can clog filters, facilitate the formation of excessive carbon deposits in the combustion chamber, lead to the development of varnish in the diesel injection system, and cause piston ring sticking and increased wear, significantly impacting the storage and use of diesel. 2. Classification of diesel. Diesel can be classified into two categories based on distillation: light diesel and heavy diesel. Each type of diesel has its specific range of applications. Light diesel is suitable for high-speed diesel engines operating above 1,000 rounds per minute. Heavy diesel is designed for diesel engines operating below 1,000 rounds per minute. Tractors typically use high-speed diesel engines as their power source, thus they utilize light diesel. Even within the category of light diesel, there are several different classifications. Based on pour point, light diesel can be divided into 7 grades: 10, 5, 0, -10, -20, -35, and -50. In selecting a diesel grade, the following principle must be followed. The cold filter plugging point of the diesel should be higher than the lowest temperature of the environment where it will be used. The choice of light diesel grade should be made according to different regions, temperatures, and seasons. Generally, the selection can be based on the following guidelines. 10 light diesel, suitable for high-speed diesel engines equipped with preheating devices. 0 light diesel, suitable for areas where the lowest temperature is around 4 degrees Celsius. -10 light diesel, suitable for areas with a minimum temperature above -5 degrees Celsius. -20 light diesel, suitable for areas with a minimum temperature above -14 degrees Celsius. -35 light diesel, suitable for areas with a minimum temperature above -29 degrees Celsius. -50 light diesel, suitable for areas with a minimum temperature above -44 degrees Celsius. 3. Use of diesel. To fully utilize its benefits, the following precautions should be observed during the use of light diesel. 1. Different grades of diesel can be blended for use. 2. Gasoline must not be mixed with diesel. 3. Prevent mechanical impurities from contaminating the diesel and ensure proper purification of the fuel. 4. Before use, diesel should be settled and filtered, with a settling time of no less than 48 hours. 5. The use of inferior quality diesel is strictly prohibited. Fuel must be free of impurities and moisture. 6. Never refill the fuel tank while the diesel engine is running. Do not fill the tank to capacity when working under the hot summer sun. 7. The fuel used must comply with national standards for light diesel, and different grades of light diesel should be chosen according to varying ambient temperatures. Finally, during the use of light diesel, the impact of mechanical impurities, moisture, and colloidal substances on the diesel engine cannot be overlooked. Diesel inherently contains a certain amount of colloids, which can catalyze the formation of new colloids during storage and transportation, leading to blockages and carbon deposits. To ensure the high cleanliness of light diesel and prevent it from affecting the normal operation of the engine, pay attention to the following issues during storage, transportation, and refueling. 1. Keep fuel containers and refueling tools clean. 2. Ensure fuel containers are capped to prevent foreign objects from falling in. 3. Do not transfer diesel from the bottom 20 centimeters of fuel containers into the tank. 4. Avoid refueling in rainy, snowy, or windy conditions with high dust levels. 5. Diesel is flammable, so take precautions against fire during storage and use. Only by fully understanding the specifications and properties of diesel can one select and store it correctly and intelligently. In this lesson, we have gained some fundamental knowledge about diesel, such as its classification into light and heavy diesel, and the 7 grades based on pour point. We have also mastered the rules for using diesel. All this knowledge will help us in our future work. Please consider the following questions after class. 1. What are the characteristics of diesel? 2. How many types of light diesel are there? What are they? 3. What precautions should be taken when using diesel? This concludes our lesson for today. Goodbye, everyone.